Indians are known for having beautiful, soft, long hair. So in today's video, we're going to talk about 4 of the best tips they use to make it grow quickly and healthy. If you're looking to grow longer, healthier hair, there's a solution for that. Here are the 4 secrets. Aloe Vera Gel. Indians have known about the benefits of aloe vera for thousands of years. Today, everyone knows that aloe gel is very beneficial because it's rich in nutrients. These nutrients increase blood flow to our scalp, benefiting hair growth. They also promote the growth of new strands, preventing baldness, which can be caused by stress or an unhealthy diet. Simply cut open an aloe vera leaf and remove the gel. Then beat it until it's an even paste. Now just rub the aloe vera gel all over your scalp. Wash your hair with cold water. Did you know that when you wash your hair with hot water, the heat actually opens your follicles? This ends up stripping your hair of its natural oils that your strands need. Therefore, you should always use cold water to wash your hair. Hair masks. This is a secret of former Miss India, Shivangi Mani. According to her, eggs are full of proteins that help the growth and the hydration of your hair. This ensures that your hair grows long and healthy. All you need is 2 fresh eggs and a little probiotic yogurt. Start by placing the eggs in a bowl. Then add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix everything until it's evenly blended. When it's all mixed up, put it on your hair. Let it sit for 20 minutes. After the time is up, wash it with cold water. Essential oils. There are several essential oils that can be really good for your hair. The best are carrot, chamomile, tea tree, and cypress oil. Please feel free to mix 2 or 3 of these oils to obtain as many benefits as possible. You can do this by mixing the essential oils with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil. Mix the essential oil, 6 drops for each 30 milliliters of carrier oil. Apply the mixture to the strands and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Once the time is up, wash your hair with your shampoo as usual. And that's it. Do you know any hair tips that we have not mentioned? Share them with us.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.